Creators United is a community-driven platform designed to support content creators, influencers, and artists across various industries. It aims to provide a collaborative space for individuals to connect, share ideas, and grow their online presence. The platform offers resources, tools, and opportunities to help creators monetize their content and build a sustainable career. To make money online with Creators United in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Join Creators United. First, sign up for a free account on the Creators United website or app. Verify your account by providing necessary information and completing any required steps. Build your profile. Create an engaging profile that showcases your skills, talents, and achievements. Include high-quality images, a compelling bio, and links to your social media profiles or websites. Network and collaborate. Engage with other creators on the platform by commenting, liking, and sharing their content. Reach out to potential collaborators and discuss opportunities to work together on projects. Collaborations can lead to increased exposure, new skills, and potential income streams. Create high-quality content. Produce unique and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, images, or any other form of content relevant to your niche. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Monetize your content. Creators United offers various ways to monetize your content, such as A. Sponsored content. Partner with brands and businesses to create sponsored content related to your niche. This can include product reviews, tutorials, or social media posts. B. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other businesses and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. C. Membership programs. Offer exclusive content, perks, or services to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. D. Online courses or coaching. Create and sell digital courses or offer coaching services in your area of expertise. E. Merchandise. Design and sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers through the platform's integrated store. Promote your content. Share your content on various social media platforms, forums, and other online communities to reach a wider audience. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your content's visibility on search engines. Track your progress and adjust your strategy. Regularly monitor your content's performance using Creators United's analytics tools. Identify which content types and strategies are most successful and adjust your approach accordingly to maximize your income potential. Stay consistent and patient. Building a successful online career takes time and dedication. Continuously create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and explore new monetization opportunities. By following these steps, you can effectively make money online with Creators United in 2024 as a beginner. Remember to stay committed, adapt to changes, and always prioritize providing value to your audience.